Hi, this is Ashley Darling, and my Web 2.0 tool was Tour Creator, and this is my tutorial. So this image is what you see when you actually go to Tour Creator. So Tour Creator is a free tool. It's made by Google VR, so VR stands for virtual reality, and it allows anyone to create a virtual tour of anywhere in the world. You can find Tour Creator here at this link. Your tour can be shared on social media or embedded in a website and can be accessed from any device connected to the internet. You don't have to worry about apps or downloads or anything like that. So here is the landing page. It just says Tour Creator, more tools, and then create a virtual tour. So you'll click Get Started and it will bring you to this. So if you have made any tours in the past, they will show up here. You can browse through templates, you can do a new tour. So what you need to do is click New Tour and it will bring you to this. So creating a tour is very easy. Just follow the prompts on the screen to easily and quickly create your first tour. So let's go through the steps. So here you will name your tour, you can write a description, you can choose the category, you can add a cover photo, but really all you need right now is a title, and then you press create. Once you press create, it'll bring you to this screen, which automatically pops up a Google Street View, but you can also click upload, and you can choose an image from your computer that you have saved. Whatever works best. I think doing Street View is a lot of fun because it gives you actual images of what you're looking at. So here you're going to add a scene. So I just chose the Colosseum because it's my favorite place in the whole world. And here it shows you an image of the Colosseum, of what you've chosen. And then I used Google Street View, and you can just hit Add Scene here at the bottom. And it'll bring you to here. So this is your Scene 1. So once you choose your Scene 1, either image or Street View image, then what you'll want to do is set your starting view. So this is what your viewers will see in this scene when they first open it. You can also add points of interest. So here is this little blue point of interest. You click on it, and what it's going to do is pop up whatever information you put over here. So this is a link to a really cool article about Secrets of the Colosseum. Unfortunately, URLs currently are not able to hyperlink, so someone couldn't just click on it and open it. They'd have to copy the link, which is fine. As long as you're clear with the students about that, that's not a problem. So if you wanted to add multiple points of interest, you would just go here and click Add Point of Interest. So I added a second scene. Here at the bottom, you can see kind of that it says Add Scene. So you click on that and it'll bring you up that same box as before. Here I chose a panorama shot of the Colosseum. I have given a source here, got the description so people can go see the image themselves, and then there's the source. You can add, again, multiple points of interest. You can even narrate your point of interest. You can add as many scenes and points of interest as you want. You want to make it interactive and just watch the possibilities unfold at that point. So publishing your tour, you're going to go ahead and click Publish at the top, and it'll pop up this. If you don't already have a cover photo, you'll need to add one. You'll want to make sure the title describes what you are actually doing. Fill in the description. You can choose a category as well. Then once you hit Publish, you can choose Unlisted or Public. Public means that the tour is visible to anyone. Anyone can search it, anyone can view it. Unlisted means that only people with a link can view this, much like YouTube. Then you'll hit the blue Publish button here. and you'll want to preview your tour. So let's take a moment and preview it. Go through and make sure how it looks like you want it to look and that all points of interest work. I will go ahead and press play so you can see my little quick virtual tour. So here is my very quick tutorial tour creator that I made just to show you. So there is a point of interest here. If you click on it, this box pops up and you'll have your any images that you wanted to put on there, or links. Like I said, they're not hyperlinked, but you can copy them. Things like that. So I will go ahead. So down here it says scene 1 of 3. So you can go ahead and click on the next one. Now this is the panorama shot that I got from Wikimedia Commons, and it's into the lower area of the Colosseum. You can see up in the sky. You can see the top of the Colosseum. I mean, it's not a perfect panorama, but it's pretty good. And this is the source. It just sort of pops up there, so you can look at it. And then going to the third scene, this is the Circus Maximus, and here it's another panorama. This is from Google Street View, and then here's a point of interest. If you click on it, this pops up, and here's an example of just some more information in text that people can look at. What is the Circus Maximus? In Latin, it's called the Circo Massimo. And it's just really neat to be able to look. I wish there was a way to kind of Google Street View it where you can move into the actual image, but this is pretty good to show people, especially students, where are we type of thing. So once you preview your tour, you want to share it. So there are a couple of ways you can do that. But once you're looking at your tour, from this link that it gives you, you're going to go to share at the bottom right-hand corner. And then this box is going to pop up. You can share it directly to Facebook, Twitter, Google Expeditions, or you can embed, or you can also just copy the link. Once you click embed, since that's how we're going to want to do that, this screen will pop up and it is going to have the HTML here that you'll want to copy. And then at that point you can embed this onto your website, into an email if it's HTML compatible, things like that. So this was Tour Creator. I hope that was helpful for everyone, and I am looking forward to any questions that you all have, so please feel free to ask away. Thank you again.